Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Atlas. In this episode, I'm going to talk about XLM, aka Stellar Lumens, as well as Orchid, aka OXT. If you guys are new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. Definitely helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm, and click the bell icon so you know whenever we have a new video. So I'm going to go ahead and hop right on in here to the TA. I tried to look up a little bit of news for the stuff going on and don't see it. I think this is just simple, all good fundamentals that's going on right here. So we're looking at XLM first, guys. Technical radars are suggesting a strong buy. Things are looking really good there. RSI is starting to get on the verge of being in the overbought territory, but even then, it still has plenty of room to grow, and we are looking at in a bull market right now. So things are absolutely parabolic going on right here with that of XLM, as you guys can see with the volume, just absolutely beautiful. And we still have a little bit of time left on the day before the daily candle close. This has some more room to go. If we try to push back up to the February 13th position, that's going to be at about 61 cents. For today, we did hit 59 cents before pulling back a little bit to where we're at right now. So this is looking really, really good, guys. Really prime type position. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the other fundamentals. If we go ahead and zoom out here just a little bit, you can also see that this is looking very strongly like a cup and handle type pattern, and we're starting to see what looks to be a potential breakout. And with that cup and handle pattern, that's very bullish, very, very bullish. Keep that in mind. Okay, now also in addition to that, if we break above the 61 cent range, our next major level zone is going to be ideally up here at 69 cents roughly. That is on the Fibonacci sequence. It's also very close to 71 cents, so you might even see it get just underneath the 71 cents, which is what typically happens, and then we see a little bit of a pullback before it decides what it wants to do, if it wants to have a further continuation up or not. Next level above that is going to be right around $1 actually on the Fibonacci. That's at $1.03. So again, a $1 range to $1.03 is another very good level to keep an eye on. Further beyond that, we got another level at $1.39 and then a high point at $1.60. Beyond that is going to be really, really like open waters, depending on how fast this moves. We want to see what it does. If we go ahead and zoom in on this right here, you got a level of support going on at 47 cents. Below that, that 21 EMA is going to be more than likely coinciding tomorrow right around there, so do keep an eye on that. So we got another level down here at 40 cents. Significant drops would pull it all the way down to what looks like right around 34 cents. I'm bullish on this. I am not a financial advisor, but having this daily candle right here being above the 21 EMA, the fact that we're pushing towards this higher level sequence on the Fibonacci, we're very close to this previous high. I am personally bullish on this right now. XLM has been around for a hot minute. A lot of people do support this project as well. With that being said, let's go ahead and hop on over and see what's going on with Orchid. Orchid is one of those cryptos that I personally like to talk about a lot. What I don't like is all the shenanigans that go on with it. So that's a little bit unfortunate. A couple things here you guys can see. Volume is extremely low. I mean, very, very low. This is, what's the word for it? What's the scientific definition? It's, oh yeah, that's right, pathetic. This volume is just really bad, guys. And we got some different days going on here. We saw one day that was worse. That was back on March 6th. That actually saw a little bit of a run-up take place after those days consecutively, so maybe we could see something like that take place. Similarly, we had a red candle day here, and then we saw a nice little push-up going on. I'm still bullish with this. We're getting very close to the $1 region zone again. Volume definitely needs to make a move. The RSI leaning a little bit towards a higher position, but still plenty of room to move. Technical radars are actually suggesting a strong buy, even with all of this low, quiet activity going on. You've seen a lot of the sideways action. It is very close to the dollar region zone again. So if we went back here to August 16th, you guys can see that we had bounced off of that $1 region zone. That's in regards to Coinbase. I do understand that we just recently had passed above $1 when you look at some of the other exchanges, like for example Binance, and it is what it is. There's been a big price discrepancy here. But hey, if Coinbase gets to $1, then maybe we could really see some great magic starting to take place. Okay? That's all I'm saying with that. So in regards to some of the other key things here, we do have resistance taking place at 82 cents. If we can close above that, we got 29 minutes left. I personally think that that would be absolutely beautiful. Another level which would be really key, is if we have a daily close above 86 cents, because beyond that, we have 2 points here that are fairly close to each other, but that's just on the run up to the $1 region zone. So there's not really going to be much resistance as it begins to push its way up further towards that $1. If it breaks $1, well then guess what? The next major zone for the Fibonacci is going to be all the way up at $1.52. And then we go all the way up to $2.37. And then we got $3.28. And then we got $3.76. This has a bad reputation. This has a bad reputation of pump and dump situations, which is rather unfortunate. And I think a lot of that is actually being inclusive because of bot trading. So if enough people actually start to funnel in on this, I think the bot trading is going to fall apart pretty heavily. We have support being established here at 79 cents. Another level, the 21 EMA, is going to coincide with this tomorrow, it looks like. That should be at about 74 cents. And then a level below that would be all the way down here at 68 cents. At this point, I would be pretty shocked to see it dipping down below 70 cents again, but you never know with Orchid, so I'm a little bit cautious with this. But overall, I'm still very bullish. It's over the 21 EMA. Things are looking really good. I think volume is going to more than likely kick up tomorrow. I don't know why I did that again. I click on the bottom there. Oh, it's because it's trying to drag it. So overall, I think the volume is more than likely going to kick up tomorrow. I have a feeling that this is going to make another run towards the $1 region zone. Monday could be potentially very beautiful indeed. Very curious to see what ends up happening with Ethereum and Bitcoin and how this decides to move with it. But this coin is on a lot of the major exchanges, guys. So I think this has a ton of potential. That's my own opinion, though. I'm going to go and wrap up the video there. You guys let me know what you feel about these cryptos. Are you bullish or bearish, and why? And if you guys want to check out some of my other videos, I do have some other cool things I've been doing, breaking down some TA on Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as doing a separate video playthrough series on Decentraland. I'm also looking at potentially starting a playthrough series on another crypto game that's starting to get a lot more traction. In fact, Gemini actually recently got involved with this other game. So maybe you know what I'm talking about. It's got a little bit of a vibe, kind of like a Minecraft. So yeah, I will probably do something on that. And I got some other key highlight videos. I got one that's going to be talking about some like brand new coins that are coming out and what it is that they do and why I'm personally excited to learn more about them. And they could be one of those early Kickstarter projects like an ICO, because some of them are actually an ICO. So you guys can check out that video once I have that done. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Got referral links in the description if you guys want to get started with Coinbase, Gemini, BlockFi, Robinhood, Webull for stock stuff. All that's right there. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the thumbs up like button. Definitely helps us out. Click the bell icon. So you know when we have a new video. And I will see you guys in the next episode.